My name is Jairo Spina. I am 35 years old. I grew up in Prado, Tolima City. I live in Cali. I am single. I like listening to music, working, swimming, and fishing. I am diesel mechanic. I have worked in Coltanques as a mechanic for more than 12 years performing processes in vehicle maintenance. I am studying industrial engineering. My person qualities are patience, honesty, respect, adaptability, responsibility, and discipline. My skills are creativity, empathy, ability to solve problems, leadership, and I am very competitive. If you hire me, you will get times, results, good management in the administration, and prosperous economy in the company.